station where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today I wanted to share with you all my progress on packing up, getting ready to move. So we closed once again. If you missed our last video, we closed on the sale of our home on February the 28th. So we are super excited about that. So I'm trying to pack everything up, make it an easy move as possible. It's very cold today in South Alabama. Y'all excuse how I look, but I have been working all day. I have been off today and trying to get things done. It is nighttime actually now on Friday, but I wanted to show y'all, I have found some really cool boxes from the local liquor store. I know that sounds horrible. And so I wanted to show y'all how I put that together. I'm gonna take y'all in the pantry and let y'all see how far I've gotten there. I'm very proud of myself today for that. And then I'll take you in some other rooms and give y'all a look-see. And I will also let y'all know that a majority of the furniture is selling with the house. So that is super awesome too, because I get to buy all new furniture. So I'm excited about that. So anyway, I thought I would show y'all my cool idea on the alcohol or liquor boxes. And let's take a look at the pantry. I thought you'd like to see how far I've gotten in the pantry area. Now it is still kind of messy, but I've gotten everything off the upper cabinets and I'm moving things down. I have to go get, let me tell y'all, I found that the liquor store has the best boxes for like glass items like this or your glasses. So I've gotten a lot of boxes that way, and then I've gotten a lot of boxes off Amazon, but I just kept my little baskets that I had things in. Look, I've got all that cleaned out, and I made sure that the wood, there was some scratches, and yes, he's eating. Hi, Bear. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. That's real life. But I made sure there wasn't any scratches on the bottom. And I'm just kind of trying to keep things out and not box up my food just yet because we've got until February the 28th. So, but I've gotten a lot out. So what I'm planning on doing, what I was meaning about the alcohol boxes, is I'm going to put these items in alcohol boxes because they have dividers. And I'll show y'all that in a bit. So these are the items that I wanted to pack into these alcohol boxes. And let me say why. So they have these super cool dividers in them, which makes it really easy. My mama cans pickles and a lot of jellies. So I'm hoping, and it is, it's kind of tall, and I may not be able to fit two down in there. Oh, I will, yay. So I can fit all my jars down inside on here. These are fig preserves. Look at those. Look at those. Those look good. And she also does strawberry figs. Oh my gosh, them things are yummy. And then another thing she does is tomatoes. That makes some good tomato gravy. Tomato gravy and biscuit. Yeah. So I'm going to take y'all around the house and let y'all see the pantry as well. everything out of my drawers. I cleaned out all the drawers. I'm so proud of myself. I had the day off today, and I'm trying to it's raining outside. This is just our coffee area, and I'm trying to keep that as minimal, as minimal as possible. Look how many things of popcorn salt that I found that my husband, we love popcorn. I don't know about y'all, but I've got everything pretty much out of here except for, just grocery items. And then this cabinet is empty, so I'm getting pretty much everything out of this back bedroom. So all of this furniture stays. This little bench is going. It's sentimental to me. So everything else stays except for the bedding, of course, and the junk that I have piled on. But I've gone through all the closets, and of course I still have like dresses and things in there and items that we're going to move. But I have cleaned out all of the closets, and that's to go to Goodwill. But yeah, that's the back. This bedroom is another story. So I'm trying to kind of take all my pictures down and put them in one spot. So when we do get the move-in truck, we can just kind of have everything in one centralized location, if that makes sense. So the bed, the 2 nightstands stay. These 2 pieces are going, but I've got almost all of this taken down and ready to go. This closet is empty except for my Christmas decor, and that's how I store my Christmas decorations. I put them in little totes like this. I used to put them under my bed, but with these platform beds, it's very hard to do that. So I just started putting them in my closets. Now that we don't have children at home, it's much easier to store things in the guest closets. So yeah, all of my wall decor is pretty much over here. I have sold some things. I've sold a lot of my lake house things, but I'm keeping all my farmhouse because in the new house, I am kind of going to go with that farmhouse feel, but I am going to tweak it some. So this bathroom is completely bare. Of course, this cabinet stays, and then there's one behind the door that stays as well. I've got all this empty. Aren't y'all so proud of me? Look at that. So all of this is empty and ready for a new family, and I know they're going to love it. We're going to miss it, but I've worked hard, guys. Here's the chaos mess. So this is how my mind operates. I'm putting kind of breakable antique things in crates and baskets that I can't really box. Y'all tell me if that's a good idea. I just thought I would put them in the back of my car and transport them that way. And then I've been putting everything breakable on the dining room table and slowly been working it into baskets. So that's what I've been working on. Over in the hutch area, I have things that I'm going to take to Goodwill. That's kind of the way I've been dividing it out. I have some items up there that I do need to get down, but that's my thinking. The dining room table stays, the hutch stays. So only thing that really goes in here is my high chair and my buffalo plaid. And of course, this little bit over here. That table stays. The boat, we're going to give them the boat motor. It's an antique, so I hope they enjoy it. And yeah, so there's the living room. The pieces that you see the orange little tag on, they're pieces that are going with us because they're sentimental. And Alan, my husband, had bought me that piece for our anniversary, and I wanted to keep it. And then this green piece over here is an antique, and I wanted to keep it. And of course, my chicken box under there's going, but I'm going to leave the coffee table. So it's all coming together. The sunroom, everything in the sunroom is going with us. But, a lot of the furniture, every bit of the bedroom furniture is staying, except for like sentimental pieces. Every bit of the upstairs is staying. The bunk room is staying. So we don't have a lot of furniture to move. That's a blessing. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today. We're getting a lot done trying to get ready to move. So I'm so glad that y'all joined me today. I'm so glad that I get to share this with you guys. Now, don't forget, when we buy our new home, we are not only going to be decorating one house, we're going to be doing two, because we're going to be doing the tiny cottage for my parents. So this is going to be so fun. I'm so super excited, and I'm even more excited that I get to share it with you guys, because y'all have been so encouraging, and I appreciate it so much. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see y'all Wednesday.